Hello friends, good evening. Today I am coming up with a very interesting, useful feature to demonstrate which is developed by us at TechVaria, and this is for e-commerce website. In standard Odoo, when we see the mega menu has very limited choice. Now let me explore what we have done. So over here you can see now we have implemented a shop by category feature which can lead you to n number of hierarchy to connect your main category, subcategory, third level category, fourth level category easily with a unique style. So how it works, let's jump into the configuration we have built on top of Odoo as a custom app. Once you go to your configuration and enable your developer mode, you go to menus, and then over here you can see advanced mega menu. So the application is available here, advanced mega menu on App Store. You can explore that. I will pass the link in it. And now when I go to configuration, you can see once we enable advanced mega menu, you will see a lot of configuration over here. Now let's see what everything brings us. Now I want to utilize a standard 2-column, 3, 4 or up to 6-column mega menu which Odoo gives with additional general setting also. So once I am done with that and I'm coming to my website and I'm refreshing it, you can see the mega menu over here which will allow me to build such a hierarchy view, and I can directly jump to that level of subcategory or child category up to any level. So that is first feature I wanted to showcase, where you can see category mega menu is there with 2 column. Now inside category setting, you will see show category image. So over here we have given a facility where you can even give an image to category. Then show category description. So if I have given any description over here in that, then it will be visible like this within the category plus small description you want to add. Then you want to expand first category. So if you do so, and then if you want to always give expanded menu of very first category, so all first level category will always visible on your page. And here is the title, home and office. So over here you can see the display name comes from very first category of that over here like this. And then once you start with your second category, it will again go under display. So these are the category setting we have developed. Now coming to some more setting, if I want to beautify this particular menu with more options, I can show separator. So based on that, now you can see a separator will be available between your title and mega menu items. Now if you want to have a custom background color, then definitely you can select any custom background, save it and relaunch it. So that particular mega menu will be launched with a custom color over here. Now the third option is if you want to show some footer message, then you can enable that, and then at the end of your mega menu you will find that footer message, and this footer message will directly inherit your standard theme color. Now coming to custom colors. So if I want to change primary and secondary color over here, then if I relaunch, then whatever the standard font color, you can see red and white will be replaced over here with the color theme. So this is the first option. It is giving you a lot of facility to include image and number of hierarchy and some more feature to give a grand user experience to your visitors, your customers on your e-commerce store. The second feature which I would like to show is the custom menu. So you can see there are two column custom menu also we have built, which is a part of this only. So over here we have built another menu, that is custom menu, and over here we have selected this second option, pages mega menu. So over here you can see page header left, page header right will show you the headers, and then whatever link you want to pass left and right side of that block, you can create. You can link your URL of either product page or category. You can link over here directly with image. So this is the second style of custom menu we have launched within a part of this advanced mega menu feature. So you can create such a good experience for your end user in two separate ways. One is the mega menu with image with beautiful hierarchy up to n level, as well as 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So here you can see a 4 level of mega menu available here. So 4 column mega menu is part of this particular example, and here we are seeing 2 level or 2 column mega menu. So this everything is available under this app. You can get this app from App Store by TechVaria, and if you want any more thrilling, a great user experience, contact us. We can customize it for you, definitely. So contact us at techvaria.com or contact me on my YouTube or LinkedIn channel. Hope this mega menu will give a lot of option to end user or to functional consultant or to partner company to implement such a good experience to end user or their client. Thank you very much. Good day.